going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be checking out a super crazy car show because we're at Redbox Restorations Grand Opening and it's supposed to get wild here. They have a P1 HDK that we saw last week at Superstition, the red one, not the gray one but the red one, and it should be super crazy because we were only able to see it at night last time, and right here we should be able to see it with some good lighting inside of their shop or outside, wherever they have it. I still do not know where they're going to have it, but yeah, let's pretty much get on to all the craziness at this event, and yeah, let's get started. Alright you guys, so usually I don't show any of my muscle cars anymore or any of the other cars that are besides supercars, but at this show we don't have a whole bunch of supercars, so why not run it down through all the cars we got on the lineup. We have this crazy Camaro with some wild underglow. We got this Charger. We got Hayden 5.0's crazy Mustang. We also have this GT 500. We have a crazy Challenger right here next to this blue one right here that looks super damn clean. And then check out this truck. You might think it's a freaking classic truck that ain't got nothing in the back, and sure enough it don't have nothing in the back, but it looks super damn clean. I honestly like this like stripped out setup. It's freaking crazy looking. We also have that Cybertruck over there with the underglow. We have a GTS, I believe that is, and then we have a GT2 RS right here. Here we have the carbon McLaren 765 LT that I told y'all about that we missed, I think 2 events ago. I actually did not see it from up close, but check that out. The whole body is literally exposed carbon fiber, super crazy. Has the orange stitching interior, super damn crazy spec, honestly. Fully exposed carbon McLaren 765 LT, cannot believe it. And then check out this car right here. It says gas turbine in the back. Not really sure what in the world this thing is. That is not your average motor inside of one of these Corvettes though, I can tell you that for sure. And then right over here we have a crazy NASCAR. Not really sure what this is. It says Jeff Gordon's 1998 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. I'm guessing this guy raced back in the day. And then we also have a Napa F1 car or F2 car. Not really sure what that would be. We also have a Ghostbusters car right here that looks pretty damn sweet, honestly. I like the whole styling that they put all the way up top. Super damn good. I like the details in these kinds of cars. Straight up movie cars right there. And then check this Porsche out. I'm not even sure what kind of Porsche this thing is, but I think it has a wide body. I'm not too sure. Honestly, back in the day, they made these cars look so damn good that even if it had a wide body or not, they would look really good. But check that out. It even looks like he has a replica small figure car. I want to say this is a wrap, but it could honestly be painted. It says RSR right here. Super damn crazy car though. Y'all let me know in the comments section what this car is, if y'all know anything about it, if there is anything online. But yeah, super crazy Porsche. And then right here we have the 600 LT. I don't think we've seen this car in a while. And then I think we have the Ferrari F8 right here. We also have a white Huracan. I do not believe we've seen this car before in town. And then I think we have this BMW M3. We also have a GT3 Aston Martin. Yo, what's up, dude? How you doing? That's good, dude. And then right here towards the end we have a gray Audi R8. Not really sure when this car pulled up, but it looks super damn clean. It could honestly be one of the girls that drives these cars. I think one of the girls that's way off over there, I saw her earlier. I think she drives this car. And then we have the GTR. God damn, this car looks so crazy, and it also sounds crazy. I believe I did see this car shoot some flames one time, but yeah, hopefully later on when he leaves. Alright you guys, so check it out real quick. Hopefully I do not get copyrighted with the music, but right in here we have a red CGT that I do not think I've ever seen before. The red on this car almost looks like a candy red. Super duper good, and it pops like crazy. Right here we also have the P1 HDK from Redbox Restorations. We saw this car at the Exotics Network event, I think it was last Wednesday, and this car beside the gray P1 HDK from Shannon, those two together look absolutely insane. But right here we have 1 of 9. Last week we had 2 of 9. This week we have 1 of 9. But honestly, it is still super surreal to be able to see a 1 of 9 car. Super duper crazy, really rare. I'm sure it's super expensive as well. And then right here we have the Ferrari 488 Pista running on some really crazy wheels. Y'all let me know if y'all would rock these wheels or if y'all would pass on them. The front wheels look like that. They almost look pretty flush, but the rear wheels, they have kind of like a concave on them that makes them look really damn good. Red interior. I believe the Exotics Network did use this car for like their Santa Claus video that they made, but yeah, super crazy. And then we also have another candy red car right here. This one is the Ferrari SF90, and it's running the same wheels as the Ferrari Pista right there. But yeah, check out these wheels from a little bit closer. They look really wild. And then check out this like resto mod bike. I'm not really sure what it is. And then let me know in the comments section if y'all would ride this thing. It looks really sketchy, but really fun at the same time. I would definitely ride that thing. On this side, we also have some really crazy bikes right here. I'm guessing these are Harleys, but check out the painting on these things. I'm guessing that's painting. It looks super duper crazy, really unique, honestly. Some things that you wouldn't really see in other bikes. They have their own touches. I'm guessing these are like beer-inspired motorcycles, but yeah, this is super damn cool. I would definitely ride with the mob in these cars. Alright you guys, so I'm honestly not 100% sure on if this is part of the Redbox Restoration, but they opened up one of the garages that was right beside Redbox Restoration, or at least where they had the P1 HDK, and they have this really crazy Porsche Turbo, I believe this is. Let me walk around towards the end and see if it actually is a turbo. Oh yeah, it definitely is, and they really have it in a pristine condition. Check this whole car out. It is running on some bright yellow Brembos. A lot of people honestly do not like that style of headlight right there, but I think it's honestly something that's really different, and you just have to really look at it a lot to be able to actually like fall in love with it. But yeah, it's super unique. And then it has some unique cars in here, because two of these cars I've never seen any of the cars that are in here. I'm not sure if they've been imported in here or what, but they look super crazy. Like this one right here, it says Porsche, but honestly this is a Porsche that I have never seen before. Check out those leather straps right there, and honestly it reminds me of how Pagani does their, what's called, their bonnet in the rear end. But yeah, super crazy Porsche. I'm not even sure from what year this car came out of, but golly, it says 1600. Don't tell me this car came out of the 1600s. Oh man, and we also have a AMG wagon right here. We do not get these in the States, so that is why I am guessing this car might have gotten imported in here. This right here is a car that I do recognize just because they make a little bit of noise here in the States. This is a Chevy Cobalt SS. Super damn crazy. I'm sure if this car started up in here, it would be obnoxious. Alright, and check this out right here. Y'all let me know down in the comments section, because I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all know what these cars are. And honestly, I am not educated enough to know some of these cars. But yeah, check this out. This is the emblem right here. It says Austin Healey. I'm not sure if that's the brand or what, but yeah, super weird looking car, honestly. This is the interior. I'm still really thrown off on what in the world this car is, but yeah, just give it a good look through. And y'all let me know down in the comments section if y'all know what kind of car this is, and if y'all do know, please give me a little bit of information so I could learn about it, because I would like to know a little bit of facts about it, but in my opinion, I don't think I'd ever drive something that looks like that. I'm surprised Hella Bad didn't just pull up, but we have the purple VQ right here, unless Hella Bad already parked up. But yeah, this car, when he rolls up with Hella Bad, it gets real crazy. I was literally just saying, I wonder where Hella Bad Garage is, and sure enough, here he is. Super damn crazy show. Oh my goodness, dude. I'm pretty sure this boy ain't gonna be able to do any noise, but I mean, I'm still gonna follow just in case, because I mean, you know those turbos sound freaking crazy. Or turbos, I said turbos. I'm sorry, that is a Pro Charger. A single Pro Charger in the back of that Porsche. Alright, with this 5-car lineup that we have in here, we have the Candy Red CGT, we also have the P1 HDK, we have the Ferrari 488 Pista, and then we have the SF90 way off at the end. Y'all let me know down in the comments section which car y'all would choose. Honestly, in my opinion, I think I would go with the CGT, because I mean, it's a gated manual, it has the V10. This car is just sketchy all the way around. I think that's what I would take. But a P1 HDK, 1 of 9, super rare and really crazy. But I mean, honestly, I think I would go with the rawness of the Carrera GT. Alright, you guys, well, Hella Bad Garage is leaving the show. I'm not sure y'all can see him. That's him way over there. God dang. Alright, you guys, well, that'll pretty much do it for this video. It was a super crazy turnout. That P1 HDK, CGT, and all the other crazy supercars and hypercars that were at that event. It was super wild, so hopefully y'all enjoyed. If y'all did, be sure that y'all like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so that y'all don't miss out any upcoming videos, because tomorrow I will be going out to Social Sundays, and those events usually get pretty crazy. So yeah, be sure that y'all stick around, and I'll see you on the next one.